There's no real one-size-fits-all charger for your home. So you've got a basic level 1 charger, which just plugs into a standard power point. They're slow though. That'll take you almost up to 2 days to fully charge an EV from 0 to 100. Then you've got your level 2 one, which needs to be specially installed, and they can go from as little as 3 hours up to sort of 8 hours, so comfortably charge an EV overnight.
So Andy, for a customer that's thinking about going the level 2 charger path and doing that install, what are the key factors that they need to consider?
Look, probably you want to think about whether you want the bells and whistles in your charger or not. If you don't, you can just get a basic charger that just plugs in and goes. That's totally fine for a lot of people. Other people do want those smart features, so things like solar awareness, so you can charge only off excess solar when you're generating it. Battery awareness as well, if you've got a battery in your home, so you're not draining your battery into your car when you want to save that for your house. Or maybe load balancing, or some other features like a mobile app or scheduling that you might get in a smart charger. So there's a few things to consider, but we've definitely got the team here at AGL to give you a hand find the right one for you.